This video is about how to find the equation of a line. First of all, we start with 2 points. Phuket, coordinates of -10 and 6, and Koh Rock, coordinates of 4 and -10. Next step is to find the gradient between the points, and we use the formula that the gradient equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So now we have our points and we've labelled them x1, y1, x2, y2. We can put the points into the formula. So we've got y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Be careful of the negatives. And now I'm going to use my calculator to get an answer of -8 over 7, and that's the gradient between the 2 points of Phuket and Koh Rock. So the last step is to put all the information together, and we're going to use another formula. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And we know lots of these parts because we've seen them before. Y1 is a point, x1 is the other part of that point, and m is the gradient. And I've got all of this information down here. We've got Phuket as our first point, Koh Rock as our second point, and the gradient that we just worked out. Okay, so y minus y1, which is 6, equals the gradient, minus 8 on 7, brackets x minus -10. There's all of our information in there, and now we're just going to tidy it up a little bit. So we've got -8 on 7x. So I'm expanding out the brackets. These two negatives become a plus. So I get -80 on 70. Just check that on your calculator. -8 over 7 times +10. Y minus 6. So now I'm going to plus the 6, and I get y equals -8 over 7x, and using my calculator again, minus 38 on 7. Now that looks really complicated, but that's the answer. It's the equation of the line that you would travel on from Phuket to Koh Rock.